He says no. See you later. Oh. Oh, come on, baby. I'm starting to hold them and get Mama to trust me and check them over. Make sure they're all doing okay. Here you go, little baby. There you go. She's having her morning chicken Gerber baby food full of Fortiflora and some good things for her. I'm going to turn this for you, Mommy. There you go. There you go. Well, the babies are doing just fine. I'm at that stage where she's trusted me to pick them up. And they'll come over. Come here, babies. Come here. Little girl. Let's see. See, babies. A little baby. A little baby. So little. Okay, one more. Let's check out the last one. Just want to make sure they're all thriving and doing well. Come here, little baby. Sorry, trying to do this with one hand. Look at that belly. Oh my goodness. Look at that baby belly. Okay, there's back to Mom. You're all right, nice and warm. Mom is eating. Well, she is eating. Oh, you're so hungry. Okay. You're gonna have all the food you want, Mommy Momo. All right. Everything's looking good. Oh, Cricket's bringing me his mouse. Hi, Cricket. Bram ran out of here faster than I've ever seen him run. Cricket. He's like, nope. Bram is not a fan of the tiny babies. He loves kittens. He loves to play with young ones, but not the tiny ones. All right. Have a good day, everyone. All is well.